Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to online class. Today, we are going to revise few sums that carries 3 marks. So, let's start with the revision. Complete the activities, 3 marks each. For 3 marks, you have activities. So, let's revise few of the activities. First one, the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. The length of the chord of the circle is 8 centimeter. Complete the following activity to find the distance of the chord from the center.
हेलो कांचा टीचर, आप म्यूट हो गए हो।
Complete the activities, 3 marks each. The radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. The length of the chord of the circle is 8 centimeter. Complete the following activity to find the distance of the chord from the center. So let us first understand the sum with the help of this figure. We can see a circle over here and the center point is point O. And what is OP and OQ? OP is the radius of the circle. And here they have given us the radius as 5 centimeter. Right? So let us write in the figure also OP 5 centimeter and OQ also 5 centimeter. The length of the chord of the circle is 8 centimeter. Now in this figure, the chord is PQ, right? So the length of PQ is 8 centimeter. I am writing here over down 8 centimeter. Complete the following activity to find the distance of chord from the center. Means we need to find the length of OM, right? So let's begin with the activity. What is written? You can see there are few boxes and we have to fill these boxes. Okay. So perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. This is theorem which we have done in circle chapter. So according to this theorem, the perpendicular line means OM. It divides the chord PQ into 2 equal parts, right? And which is a part in this? What is the name of that parts? It is PM and MQ, right? So this perpendicular line, that is OM, is dividing PQ into 2 equal parts, PM and MQ. Here, therefore, PM is equal to MQ, equal to half. Half of what? So PM and MQ both are equal because OM is dividing it into 2 equal parts. And what is PM? PM is half of PQ, right? And even MQ is half of PQ. So here we will write PQ. Now, therefore, PM is equal to, here we have to write the length of PM. Now, let us solve this. In the rough column, we have written half of PQ, right? So, here if I write half, that is 1 upon 2 PQ. PQ, what is the length given to us? It is 8 centimeter, right? So, I am writing here 8. Now, let us solve this. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8, right? and 1 into 4 is 4. So after solving this, we got the value of PM as 4. So here I am writing PM is equal to 4 centimeter. Right? Let us write in the figure also. So this PQ is 8 centimeter and the OM perpendicular line is dividing PQ into two equal parts. It means PM is 4 centimeter and MQ is also 4 centimeter. Right? In right angle triangle OMP. Now let us see where is the triangle OMP. OMP. Can you see this triangle? Right? It is a right angle triangle and angle M is of 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, they are applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle OMP. So Pythagoras theorem, we know it is hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. So here we have 90 degree, that is angle M. So the side opposite to 90 degree, that is OP is a hypotenuse. So it is written here OP square is equal to OM square plus. So if you will apply Pythagoras, you will get OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square, right? So here we will write PM square. In the next step, we have to substitute the values that are given to us. OP, we know it is 5 centimeter. We have written earlier only in the figure. So it is written here 5 square. Equal to, it is copied as it is. OM, we need to find. We have to find OM. So it is written as it is. OM square. Plus sign also, it is written, it is copied as it is. Now, in place of PM, we have to write PM square. We have to write the value of PM. Now here we got PM as 4, right? After solving half into PQ, we got the value of PM as 4. So here we will write 4 square. Right? Now after this, we have to square the numbers. Squaring of the numbers will be the next step. But if you will see carefully, they have not given us that step. So if it is not given, there is no need to write. But you can do it in the working column so that you doesn't make any mistake. Right? So the square of 5 will be 25. So I am writing here 25. Then equal to OM square, we will copy as it is. Plus 4 square is 60, right? So here I have written 60. Then in the next step, what we will do, we will just change the place of this 60 from right hand side of equal to left hand side of equal to, right? So when you will change the place of plus 16, it will get convert, the plus sign will get convert into minus. So it is written over here, therefore, OM square is equal to 25 minus, what will come over here? 16, right? So here, let us write 16. Now, then we will minus 16 from 25. What answer you will get after subtracting 16 from 25? You will get 9, right? So, OM square is equal to 9. In the next step, they have written therefore OM means taking the square root on both the side. After taking the square root on both the side, what answer will come? That you have to write over here, right? So the square root of 9 is what? The square root of 9 is 3, right? So here we will write 3. So this is a way how we complete, how we have to solve the activities. Even in the exam, there will be few boxes, you have to fill it. And for filling, there are the chances that some of the steps may be missing in that answer. So in case if it is missing, you can do it in the rough column or you can directly solve it. Just go through the sum. I'm waiting for you all. Given graph and complete the given activity. Here you can see a graph. This graph is given to us. We have to observe it carefully, and whatever the activity is given, based on this graph, we have to complete that activity, right? So let's see the graph first. Here we can see the x-axis, right? And we can see the coordinates also. Here we have positive coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here on the left hand side, we have negative coordinates, that is -1, -2, -3. This is point of origin. And here we can see y-axis, upper 0 numbers. The x coordinate of point A is 1 and its y coordinate is. So you have to write the y coordinate of point A. So let us see first, where is point A? Here is point A, right? We can see point A over here. Now, what is the x coordinate of this point? The x coordinate is 1, right? Which is already given to us. We have to write the y coordinate. So let's see what is the y coordinate of this point. It is of point A, R. Now here we have to write both the coordinates, that is x and y. And while writing, you have to keep in mind that x coordinate will come first and the y coordinate will come second. So here we have x coordinate as 1. So I'm writing here 1, comma, then y coordinate as 2. Right? Even you can write from okay. Next, the x coordinate of point B is. Now let us see where is point B in this graph. It is here. Can you see? It is here. Now what is the x coordinate of this point? You can see from B you have to start. What is the x coordinate here? It is -4, right? So here we will write -4. and its y coordinate is 1. It is already written, but let us see. It will help us for understanding only. Here we have B and the y coordinate is 1, right? It is already given. Hence, the coordinates of point B are. Now again, you have to write both the coordinates over here, x and y. So x we got -4. So let us write -4 over here first and then comma. Then y coordinate is given as 1. So we are writing as 1, right? So we got the coordinates of point B as -4, 1. Now, the next one, the x coordinate of point C is. Now, let us see in the graph again. Where is point C? Here it is, right? Now, what is the x coordinate of point C? Let us move to the x-axis and see here. It is 3, right? So, here we will write 3. And its y coordinate is. Now here we have to write the y coordinate also. So let us again see what is the y coordinate of point C. It is -4, right? So here we will write -4. Hence the coordinates of point C are 3, -4. This we also got. You can write, you can check from here also. You can check from the graph also. Okay. So just go through the activity. Let us move to sum number 3. Observe the given graph and complete the following activity. Again, it is a graph-based activity. So let's see. Here again, we can see the x-axis. All the coordinates are written. Positive coordinates, negative coordinates. We can see the y-axis also. All positive coordinates and negative coordinates. And here we have origin. Okay. Now, let's move to the activity. Line L is parallel to x-axis. Its equation is, now let us see where is line L. Can you see over here? This is line L. Right? It is written also line L. And in this line is parallel to x-axis. Here we have x-axis. Right? So you have to write the equation of this line. Now how we will write? See. First see, it is passing through which axis? Y-axis, right? So here we will write y first. Then from which coordinate it is passing? It is passing through 5, right? So here we will write 5. So we got the equation of line L as y equal to 5. So this same we will write in this box also. Y equal to 5. Understood? Now, let us move to the next one. Line M is parallel to y-axis over here, right? And this M is parallel to y-axis. Now, it is passing through which axis? X-axis, right? So here we will write X equal to. Now, from which coordinate it is passing? It is passing through 3, right? So we will write x is equal to 3. So the equation of line M is x equal to 3. So here we will write x equal to 3. Lines L and M intersect at point P. Intersect means they meet each other at point P. The coordinates of the point P are, you have to write the coordinates, means the x coordinate and the y coordinate of point P. Okay, so let's see in the figure first, where is point P? We can see here. The line L and M, both are meeting each other over here, right? And this point is named as P. Now you have to write the x coordinate of point P and the y coordinate of point P. So let's start with the x coordinate. So if you multiply this, you will get the x coordinate, that is 3, right? So here I am writing first 3. Then put a comma. Then again move to P and see what is the y coordinate. It is 5, right? So here it will come 5. Close the bracket. Okay. So by looking at the graph, by observing the graph carefully, you can answer such activity. Go through the sum. Sum number 4. In the figure, angle PQR equal to 90 degree. PQ equal to 3, QR equal to 4. Complete the following activity. So let us first understand the figure and then we will go for the activity. Here we can see a triangle PQR and angle Q is of 90 degree. Means it is a right angle triangle. Okay. And one of the side, that is PQ, is given as 3. The length of side PQ is given as 3 and the length of side QR is given to us as 4. And the measure of angle R is given as theta, right? So this activity is from trigonometry chapter. So let us first mark the hypotenuse in the figure. Here we can see the 90 degree angle, right? So the side opposite to 90 degree, that is PR, is hypotenuse in this figure. So let us write that first because it will help us to solve the activity, right? Okay. So let's start with the activity. In right angle triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem. So we are applying Pythagoras theorem in this. PR square, you can see PR. PR is hypotenuse, right? So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ is one of the side of this triangle PQ and then we have QR. So next step, we will write the value of PQ, which is given to us as 3. So they have written 3 square plus sign copied as it is. Then QR square, the value is given to us as 4, right? So here it is written 4 square. In the next step, they have squared these numbers. The square of 3 is 9 plus copied as it is. The square of 4 is 16, right? So in the next step, we have to add these two numbers. 9 plus 16 is 25, which is already written. Now, so PR square we got as 25. So in the next step, we will take the square root on both the sides. So here PR square will change into PR and equal to copied as it is. Now 25, the square root of 25 is 5, right? So we will write here 5. Next, it is written sine theta. So for this, we have to recall the formula of sine theta. It is opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse, right? So let us see in the figure also. Here we have theta. So the opposite side, what is the name of that side? It is PQ. So you can see it is already written PQ. So the formula is opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. So first we will write the name of the hypotenuse. It is PR, right? So let us write here first PR. Okay. Then we will write the value or the length of that side. PQ, it is 3 already written. We can see in the figure also 3. Then PR. PR, it is not given in the figure, but we have solved it earlier only and we got PR as 5, right? So we will write that 5 over here. Next, we have cos theta. So for cos theta, we will revise or we will recall the formula first. The cos theta formula is adjacent side of angle theta upon hypotenuse, right? So let us see in the figure, this is angle theta. So what is the adjacent side over here? It is QR, right? So here we will write QR. Then we will write the values that are given to us. QR is given as 4. So I'm writing here 4. And PR, it is written as 5 and we got it from here. Okay. The next one is tan theta. Tan theta formula is opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of angle theta. So here opposite side is PQ. We can see in the figure. And the adjacent side is QR, which is already written also. So here PQ is written as PQ equal to 3. QR, so we will see what is the value of QR. It is 4, right? So here we will just write 4. Go through the sum. Next one, complete the following activity to find the value of cos 56 degree upon sine 34 degree plus sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So we have to solve this. We have to complete this activity and we have to find the value. So the same thing is copied over here also. Cos 56 degree upon sine 34 degree plus sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay. So in the next step, we have taken a help of the formula, that is cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Okay. Now let's see the step also. In place of cos, they have written sine. Means here only they have applied this formula. Right? Now, sine in place of cos, they have written sine. So this sine is written over here. Then we have 90. That 90 is also written over here. Then we have minus. It is also there. Then we have theta, where it is box. And what is the meaning of theta? It means the angle, right? So here the angle is given as 56 degree. So that 56 we will write in this box. Okay. Then this plus is copied as it is. Sine square 30 degree is also copied as it is. Plus also as it is. Cos square 30 degree is copied as it is. And here also sine 34 degree is copied as it is. Now, in the next step, they have written equal to, then sign, then there is only one box. It means you have to minus 56 from 90. So what answer we will get if we will separate 56 from 90, we will get 34 degree, right? So that 34 degree you have to write over here, right? Remaining you have to copy it, or remaining is already copied same over here, like plus plus sine square 30 degree plus plus cos square 30 degree is also copied. Okay, so in the next step, if you will see here, we have only one box, means you have to solve this and you have to write the value. Since it is sine 34 degree, sine 34 degree, the both will get cancelled and the value will be 1, right? So here we will write 1. The plus is written as it is. Here they have done whole square and you have to write the value of sine 30. Sine 30 degree. That value you have to write from the table which we have done earlier also. So sine 30 degree value. What will be the value of sine 30 degree? It will be 1 upon 2. Right? So here we will write 1 and here we will write 2. Then here we have cos square 30 degree. So this value also you have to write from the table only. So if you will see here, it is already written root 3. You have to write the value over here. So the value is root 3 upon 2. And since we have here square, it is written over here also square. In the next step, what they have done, this one they have copied as it is. This plus also copied as it is. And here you have to write the square of this number. The square of 1 is 1, which is already written. The square of 2 is 4. That is also written over here. Then this plus is copied as it is. Then we have root 3 square. The square of root 3 is 3. Right? And then here we have 2. The square of 2 is 4, which is also written over here. Now, in the next step, if you will see, the 1 is copied as it is. Okay. It is written in place of 1, 1 is written. But in place of 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, there is only one box. So you have to solve this and you have to write the answer or the value what you are getting after solving. So if you will look at the denominators are here equal, right? It means you can add the numerator. So let us add the numerator 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 if you will do, you will get 4, right? And in denominator, we have to write the denominator common, right? So here we have denominator 4, right? So I'm just writing 4. Then we will reduce this in the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So after solving 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, we got the answer or the value as 1, right? Then in the next step, again you can see there is only one box. So in this one box, you have to add these two numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So here we will write 2. So this is the way how you can complete the activity. Step by step, you have to understand what is given, what will come over here. What is the meaning of one box? It means you have to add up. You have to solve the earlier one. Okay. If you will do in such case, if you will do your thinking process in a way, you will definitely will able to complete the activity. Okay. Just go through the sum. I'm waiting for you all. And I hope everybody is understanding. Sum number 6. Complete the following activity to prove the diagonals are congruent. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. You can see in the figure also, it is given the rectangle PQRS and the diagonals are SQ and PR. Okay. In triangle SPQ and triangle RQP, let us first mark these two triangles in this figure. First one is SPQ. So we have SPQ. Can you see this triangle? Okay. And then second triangle is RQP. RQP. This one. Right. So here it is given side SP. You can see side SP over here. Okay. Side SP. Side SP is congruent to side. You have to write the name of the side and the reason is written as opposite sides of a rectangle. So we know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, right? Yes or no? Then SP is written for us, right? So in place of SP, or we can say SP is congruent to which side? If you will see SP, the opposite side is QR, right? So here we will write QR. Then we have angle SPQ congruent. Then again box is there and it is written each measure 90 degree. So let us first see where is angle SPQ. SPQ means this angle, right? So from here we have RQP, this angle. So these both are 90 degrees angle. So here we will write the angle name as RQP, or you can write PQR. It is one and the same. So I'm writing PQR because both these angles measure 90 degrees. Then side PQ congruent to side, and the reason is given as common side. Common side means in that side is in both the triangles. So if you will see carefully, your color also, on the side PQ we have red color and on same side, that is PQ, we have green color also. It means PQ is a side which comes in triangle SPQ also and in triangle RQP also. So here we will write side PQ is congruent to side PQ. Reason is common side, right? Therefore, triangle SPQ is congruent to triangle RQP. By which test? You have to write the name of the test. Let us see which test. Here we have side, right? So it will come S. Here we have angle. So it will come A. Here we have side. So it will come S. So which test we got? We got S, A, S test. So same we will write over here S, A, S test. Okay. Now, therefore, SQ is congruent to segment. SQ is congruent to segment. Reason, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. So here you have to write, see in the figure, you can see SQ. So here it will come RP, right? So I'm writing here RP because SQ is a diagonal and RP is also a diagonal. Therefore, diagonals of rectangle are congruent. Go through the sum, it is easy. Last sum, or we can say the last activity for the day. Complete the following activity. Quadrilateral ABCD is a square. You can see in the figure, we have a square and the name of the square is ABCD. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So let us first mark these two triangles. ABC, I can see over here, A, B, C. Right? And then we have ADC, A, D, C. This one. Okay. Side AB congruent to. And the reason is written as sides of a square are equal. So side AB means this side. It is equal to which side? You can write side AD. Right? So here I am writing side AD. Side BC congruent to. You can see side BC over here. It is congruent to which side? It is congruent to side DC. Right? So here I am writing side AC congruent to, and again we have the reason as common side. So you can see in the figure A Here we will write angle D, C, A. And the reason is corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Therefore, diagonal AC bisects angle BAD and angle BCD. Similarly, diagonal BD bisects angle ABC and angle ADC. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.